The chapter From Trade to Territory explains how the British came to India as traders and slowly became the rulers.
Many European countries like the Portuguese, Dutch, French and British came to India to trade in spices, cotton and silk.
The British East India Company was formed in 1600 to trade with India and was granted a royal charter by the Queen of the England.
Companies set up trading centers in Surat, Madras, Bombay and Calcutta.
European companies competed with each other for power and the British became the strongest.
The Battle of Plassey. The Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757 where British defeated Nawab Sirajuddin Daulah with the help of Mir Jafar.
Importance of Plassey. This battle made the British a powerful political force in India.
Battle of Buxar. Battle of Buxar in 1764 confirmed that British had control over Bengal and strengthened their power.
Of Diwani rights. The Mughal emperors granted Diwani rights to the company, allowing it to collect revenue from Bihar, Bengal and Orissa.
After getting Diwani, the company became both traders and rulers of Indian territory.
The British expanded their empire through wars, treaties and clever policies.
Under the doctrine of lapse, states without a male heir were annexed by the British.
Rulers lost their powers, freedom and wealth under British rule.
Thus the British East India Company entered India as traders but ending up ruling the country.